Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen on Windows 11. So Windows 11 makes it easy to record your screen using built-in tools like Xbox Game Bar or third-party apps. And here is how you can do it. If you want to use the Xbox Game Bar, the built-in tool, you can just follow this step. So the Xbox Game Bar is pre-installed on Windows 11 and works well for recording most screen activities except File Explorer and Desktop. So what you need to do is open the Xbox Game Bar. So you can use Windows plus G on your keyboard to open it. Okay, this one's right here. You can enable the recording widget if you want to. So if the capture widget isn't available, you can click on the widgets menu and select capture. And if you want to start recording in this capture widget, you can start or recording by clicking on this start recording, or use the Windows plus Alt and plus R alternatively. And if you want to stop recording, you can just click the stop recording button in the capture widgets or press Windows plus Alt plus R again. And if you want to access your recordings, it will save in the videos or captures and then captures folders. But the limitation of this app is that it doesn't record a File Explorer, desktop, or certain system application, and it's designed primarily for gaming but works for most apps. The second one, you can also use the Microsoft Clipchamp. So this is also a built-in app. It will include in your Windows 11 device video editing tool that allows screen recording. If you want to open Clipchamp, you can just click on the search in here and then just search for Clipchamp. This one, you can just open it. Here in Clipchamp, if you want to start recording, you can just click on create a new video, this one, and then just choose through the options record something. This one, record and create. You can record screen and camera, camera only, screen only, or audio. And then here you can select what to record. You can pick the screen or window you want to record. And if you want to stop recording, you can click on stop sharing when you are done. And you can just edit the video in Clipchamp or export it directly to your preferred folder after you are done. And if you want to only record a short clip, you can also use snipping tool. So this snipping tool now supports basic screen recording features. You can just open the snipping tool by clicking on the Windows plus S, or just click on this and find snipping tool, this one. And here you can select the recording mode, this one right here. Now switch to the after you switch to the record tab, you can just select the portion of the screen that you want to record and then click record and save the clip after stopping. And you can also use a third-party tool for advanced features like OBS Studio or ShareX. You can just choose which one that you want. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.